Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is Make It Monday, where I try to make something on every Monday and post a video. In today's video, I will be making these fabric hair clips for your hair. You can put it by yourself or you can pair it together and put two. The things you would need is a ruler. The things that I use for this is a ruler, some glue sticks. I have a glue gun, which I have it plugged up, some needle and thread, some scissors, the alligator clips, and your choice of fabric. The first thing I'm going to do is take my fabric, which I already cut 3 inches by 16, and what I'm going to do is take the good side of the fabric and fold it down, and then I'm going to fold it over 4 inches. Turn the ruler this way. I'm going to fold it to 4 inches, and then I'm going to fold it again to 4 inches. Like this. Then I'm going to take my needle and thread I already have on here, and then I knot the end of it. So then I'm going to take it and I'm going to put the needle down the middle, and I'm going to weave the needle in and out. Like this, and then I'm going to pull and then I'm going to wrap the thread around down the middle. I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to take the needle and go through. And knot it. And then I'm going to do it again. And then I'm going to flip it over and cut this extra piece of fabric off. Make sure you don't cut the thread or the other piece of fabric. And I'm just going to trim it. Like so. And this will be my back and this will be my front. So I'm going to take this piece that's right here and I'm going to trim some of that so it's not poking out. Next, I'm going to leave the thread attached to the bow, and I'm going to take the extra piece of fabric that I cut and cut. I'm going to cut an inch and a half. I'm going to take that and fold it in half like this, and then I'm going to put it on the bow with this side facing the back of the bow like this. And then I'm going to take the alligator clip and put some hot glue along this side. like this, and then I'm going to make sure I place it on the back of it. I'm going to put it down in the middle, and I'm going to hold it for a couple seconds. Be careful with this glue. Then I'm going to take the piece that I have, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here. Like so, and then I'm going to fold. Make sure you fold the insides of the ends of the centerpiece in, and then place it on top. And then you're going to put it through to the other side of the clip. And then you make sure the sides are folded. And then you wrap it around. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue in the front right here. Until I get back to the front. Cut this little extra thread off. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here. Like that. And then I'm going to cut this piece. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue inside of here. Like so. And there you have it. I'm just going to go and clean up the glue, because I put a little bit too much. And there you have it. You're all done. This is, let me see, so you can see how wide it is. It's 3 inches by 4 inches. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye. Have a good day.